my channel. The time is now 9 a.m. I just signed my lease yesterday. I got approved for my apartment 2 days ago. I signed my lease yesterday, and now I am about to go pick up my keys and pay my deposit. So yeah, I'm about to drive an hour, so I'll probably get there around like 10 o'clock because I'm going to Nashville. I'm moving to Nashville, and I live currently an hour outside of Nashville. So yeah, so I'm about to go pick up my keys and stuff, and then I will give you guys the tour of my 1-bedroom, 1-bath. So maintenance is currently in my apartment because we did find some things that were a little wrong with it that I wanted to fix before I moved in. But this is her. This is my apartment. So this is the living room here, and it is carpeted. I have a big window here. This is a really big space. Can't really tell on camera. But this would be, I guess, the dining room. I'm actually going to turn this into an office. I have more windows here, and then the patio door here. We're going to go out the patio now. This is my patio, and it wraps around. So all of this is my patio space. And then we also have a little storage space here. Going back into the apartment, I'm gonna show you guys the kitchen. We have a little bar area right here. I have a kitchen with white appliances and black appliances for some reason, but it's okay. I didn't get the updated apartment. These are luxury apartments, so some of them are renovated and some of them are not. And with my budget, I just decided to go with the one that wasn't renovated. So it has white appliances and white cabinets, white countertops, but I am going to be doing like a little reno. So if you want to see that video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I bought a lot of contact paper and things of that nature, so I'm going to be putting in the peel and stick contact paper, backsplash, and all of that good stuff to reno this kitchen. And I can also paint in here, so I'll probably paint the kitchen also before I move all of my stuff in. So this is just a little coat closet here. And it's off the side of the living room. Going down this hallway, we have the washer dryer room, or the washer dryer space, I guess I should say. Then we have the bedroom door is here, so I can open this up and it is the bedroom. And I can also close this and it is the bathroom. So like I said, I'm going to be renovating the bathroom also and painting the stuff in here. But it has a garden tub. I really like the bathroom. It also has a space for a little chair so you can do your makeup. It's like a makeup vanity there. So this is the bedroom. It's pretty spacious. It's not as big as my bedroom now, but it's pretty big. It's definitely gonna fit all of my stuff in here. And then we have the closets, which is my favorite part. It is a walk-in closet. And yes, that is my apartment. And I'm also going to be showing you guys the amenities of the apartment complex building. because this is, like I said previously, or I said earlier in the video, this is a luxury apartment complex, but like they just haven't renovated every single one of the apartment complexes. So, I mean, apartment buildings. So this apartment complex does have a lot of amenities to it. So I'm gonna be filming those as well, just to give a good idea of like what all comes with the apartment. Just to get into some of the community amenities, I do have my laptop and I have like the website pulled up just so I don't forget anything. But first things first, just off the top of my head, like probably my favorite thing about living here. So, like I said, I live in Nashville. Nashville is more expensive than where I was living before. It's probably the most expensive place I've ever lived just because it is a bigger city. So it's really cool that because I live here, I get certain discounts on things. So like there's actually a discount paper. We have like a little card that we can show businesses around the Nashville area. And just because I live at this apartment complex, I can get like free food, free parking, discounted services and things like that. So I think it's really cool, and we have like just a list of places that we can go. We can't go everywhere in Nashville, obviously, but like just a pretty hefty list of places that we can go to receive discounts just for living here, which is cool, like I said. So to get into the community amenities, we have 3 resort style pools. I'm gonna be adding like videos or pictures of them somewhere in this frame, but we have 3 resort style pools. I have lounged by one of the pools and they are super nice. It reminds me of kind of like a hotel, honestly. We also have a resident business center, and that is in a leasing office. We also have a racquetball court, which I thought was really cool. I actually thought it was a basketball court when I first moved in, and the racquetball court is in the gym. So we have like a state of the arts like workout gym, fitness gym. And I haven't been there, honestly, because I don't work out. But I did view it, like, just to look. And I think it's really cool. And something that my apartment complex does is the first of every month, we receive an email. And it is a calendar. So they tell us when food trucks are going to be in the neighborhood, because they have designated days where food trucks are in the neighborhood. And then we also have designated days where we do yoga at the it's like instructor led yoga, so they hire an instructor and we do it on the racquetball court. They also do Zumba, and all this is free. So we do that, which it hasn't been in a racquetball court, it's actually been in the courtyard. We have a huge courtyard. I'm gonna put a picture of that also. But it's been in the courtyard due to COVID, just so people can social distance or whatever. But they sent out that email of a calendar. And then we also have like doggy days because we have 3 dog parks. And it's like designated doggy days throughout the month, to where your dog can meet other dogs and you can meet other dog owners and kind of like do play dates or whatever, which I think is super cute, super cool. I haven't participated in one yet just because I work a lot, but yeah. Then we also have this app, so where like if you go to the places on the discount list, this is going back to the discount list, but if you go to the places on the discount list and you like rate them, or if you leave a review for the apartment complex on Google, or you just do certain things, like you go to a doggy day, or you go to a yoga place, you receive points. And once you get a certain amount of points, you get like $100 off your rent, or you get $200 off your rent, like anything. Like, or you get like a free gift basket or something like that, or a free meal. So I think that's super cool. I've been saving up my points. Just something to kind of like stay involved in the community, I guess, and also win rewards. And I've never lived anywhere that did stuff like that, so this is like really cool, really new to me. So I really like that. We also have grilling and picnic stations. We have a playground. We have 2 laundry rooms, even though all the apartment complexes come with a washer dryer connection. They don't come with washer dryer. So I currently don't have a washer dryer, so our laundry rooms are really nice and they're connected to the leasing office. which is really cool. We also have furnished apartments available. I've never seen one of our furnished apartments just because I didn't know that we had furnished apartments when I moved over here. I honestly would have been interested in one had I known. But I mean, I kind of already had furniture anyway. But I mean, I don't know. I was curious when I read that we had furnished apartments to see what they look like. Girl, I cannot say this word. We have complimentary chair massages. So we have a masseuse on the property, which is so cool. Like, what apartment complex can say like we have a masseuse? You just have to go down to the leasing office and they'll give you a massage, and it's free. It's free. I have not partaken in this. I always forget, mostly because I forgot. But yeah, we have a masseuse on the property. If you're feeling stressed or anything, you can book an appointment and they will give you a massage. I think that's super cool. I'm probably gonna book me an appointment sometime this week, just because I remember now. Let's see. We have 24-hour emergency maintenance, which most apartment complexes do, but we also have 24-hour emergency services. Like we have a security guard, our security guards on campus are on the property 24/7. So let's see what else we have. I think I went over everything except my favorite thing. We have valet trash service, which is really, really, really awesome because I just don't like taking out the trash. That sounds lazy, but I hate taking out the trash. So it is perfect. Like, it's beautiful that all I have to do is sit my trash outside. They have these little boxes, and all you have to do is just sit your trash outside your door in a little box, and they come pick it up every night. So I really love that. I don't have to go to the dumpster or anything. I don't even know where the dumpster on this property is. I've never been. So yeah, so those are some of the community amenities. Oh, I almost forgot something. If your house was to ever, like, any damage was to ever occur, or like how my property or my unit is outdated, if I was to tell them like, hey, I want to update my unit, you know, I'm ready to pay that price to update my unit. I want the stainless steel appliances. I want the granite cabinets and our countertops and wood cabinets and all that other stuff. If I was to ever do that, they would temporarily move me to the clubhouse. Not the clubhouse. It's not the clubhouse. What is it called? The cottage. The cottage. The clubhouse is where you can host parties and things. The cottage is where they would temporarily move you if there was any damage to your apartment or if you wanted to upgrade your apartment. So basically, what the cottage is like, it's literally a cottage. It's so cute. They'll move you there for about a week or so, or however long it takes to renovate your apartment, or to fix the damage or whatever. And I think that's super cool because, like, if my heater is broken or like, and it's in the middle of the winter, I don't want to stay here until you can fix my heater, and I don't want to go buy a space heater. So they will move you to the cottage until, you know, your stuff is figured out. I think that's super cool. I think that's like really considerate also. I've never heard of anyone doing that, like an apartment complex doing that. So I really appreciate that also. Thank you guys for watching this video. I do hope you enjoyed it. If you have not done so already, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and push the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you.